Hi, this is Arc Paintball. I'm Robbie.
And I'm Abram.
And today we'll be reviewing my Empire Prophecy hopper and cool and neat things about it and how to take the battery out. So if you need to change the battery. So the lid is a magnet lid. It's a magnetical lid. No, that's not a word. Whatever. So it doesn't snap down. Like you can hear the snapping noise. That's just the magnets clicking together through the plastic. It's so you don't have to push it in, and it could crack over time.
That's a good feature because on my Halo 2 hopper, the lid is cracking.
Yeah,
because
this whole thing's cracking.
Yeah, cheap plastic on that. But we're talking about this.
Yeah, we're talking about my awesome Empire one. It's not like a die, but it's pretty much second to die, pretty much. And it's not as big as die. Anyways, so another thing about it is the manual feed at the bottom. So if you want to empty out your hopper and you don't want to shake it upside down a lot, it takes a long time and you can't even get all of them. You move the balls around on the inside and you turn it clockwise.
Yeah, it just manually feeds.
And it just pulls them out. And you can empty them back into a pod if you want to. There's settings on this like motor, advanced value, and mode select. I press the power button, like the power switch, on and off to use mine. I don't know what those do. Sorry guys, I don't want to take the time. Like I do want to take the time, but I don't.
It works great out of the box. So
I don't want to ruin anything if I do end up ruining something, because I'm sure I would. Anyways, well now I'm gonna show you how to take it apart. There's a release button here and a release button at the top. Press them both at the same time, and it just easily slides apart.
It's really easy.
It is, and it looks really cool too. And that's the inside, and clean the inside, clean the inside. And you can see through it now. Anyways, that slides around, it's supposed to. To take this off, we just figured it out like 2 minutes ago. There's a little release thing here, like a little pull down thing. You pull it down, and it pops out. And now it's really loose, and the battery will just slide out the side, like so. And it takes 4 delays. It's really easy to change out. There's hair in my batteries for some odd reason. Badlands. He's got gray hair, so. And there's a whole bunch of intricate wiring in there. I don't want to mess with it right now. I don't even want to.
With this though, you can get extended, you can get accessories to make the hopper bigger.
Yeah.
It just replaces this one. It's just bigger. It's like taller or longer, however you want it. I don't know what the price is of them, but it just expands the amount of paintballs you can hold in your hopper.
So yeah, and then you just slide it back in. Not the wrong way. You slide it back in the right way. So that top part is facing the back. So it just goes in like so. I believe. Yeah. Okay, it's in now.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. So you just clip the thing back in the top there, and then you slide it around a bit, and you magically make a really awesome noise, and don't clip it back in fully. There we go.
There.
Make sure both clips are in before you go paintballing, or else, you know. And just make sure to turn on your hopper. I don't think anyone's had this problem other than me. I turn mine off every game to save the battery, and then when I go back into a game, I leave it off. So I have worries about my gun that's broken or my hopper's broken, then I realize, oh, green light on. But my batteries are dead right now, so I was going to do that, and then I forgot the batteries at my home. So so it would show a little green light if it's on, right there. And when you have mode select, I do believe it shows the mode color right there. So probably different colors. There's another part where you can take it apart here. But there's a whole bunch of wires, and I don't want to mess with it because I've broken something before last time, taking something apart and messing with the wires. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this really helped. I know it helped me a lot because I learned about it a few minutes ago. So.
Yeah.
Keep subscribing, watching, and if you've never watched before, welcome. If you have, welcome back. And have a good day.
Yep.
And yeah.
See you next time.
Yep, see you next time.